Carlo, here's your disc. Okay, this is going to be very quick. Go for it. We're about to eat. So here we go. Hot water. Yep.
I don't have this thing. Is that chili?
Those are chilies, but you don't have to have chilies. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, Mum. How's it going? I hope you're going to enjoy it. Jules? So there was a good game? You tired? I made you a nice coffee.
I'm sorry so much.
That's it. This is duck, yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, this looks so good.
Really?
You didn't touch my fingers.
No. I didn't touch any of your papers, honey. I was going to clean it all up, but no. My darling needs to.
I got it. She said it was special. Yeah, it is.
How hungry are you guys, Mum?
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
Where are you? Would you like some coffee?
What's this?
Or do you want to eat first? Do you like coffee?
What do you have to do? Whoa, this is so cool.
Because I'm making you guys a special soda pop. Okay, because it gets done in a few minutes, my love. Quick? Shall I do it quickly? Are you guys really, really hungry?
Yeah.
So let's do this. Fat off the duck.
I just little water in it.
Just from the place up the road.
Where is this mat gonna go? There's already none.
Yeah, there's a new monitor there. I'll take that one off and put that one in my office. Or you guys can use that monitor. You can connect that to your computer. So you've got a larger monitor if you need to.
Cool.
What is cool, Jessie?
I'm a building up one day to get a show and sleigh. Oh, so I'm doing it one day to get a show and sleigh.
That's a great song.
It's not, I didn't make it up.
Really? Where's it from?
Holden Buckin.
Really?
It's from the series that's called Meet the King.
Meet the King.
Yeah. And there's another good song of Colin only sings 3 songs in that one.
Really?
Which is track number 8, track number 13, track number 21. The one that I just sung was a bit like 13. Is this stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's dark.
Smash my truck.
Jesus, just first.
Oh, I'm throwing up the car. Sorry, everyone. Dad, is it on videotape?
What, my sweetheart?
Is it on videotape?
What? Yeah.
And why is it Easter stuff in the shop? It's past Easter.
Yeah, they couldn't sell it, so they had it all on special. About 12 of those.
The chocolate's probably almost Outdated.
They're not. Apparently it says that you can still eat it right up until September.
Oh man. This is a
Yeah,
prize.
it's fantastic. Mum, we can use this for like the side after we get to with the chairs and stuff. That's a big one, Johnny. Also some maybe. I'll eat the Easter eggs first. Sorry. Would you rather eat the Easter eggs first? Yeah.
Yeah, and I will probably eat these last. And so I'll go these, and then these.
Where's my big pot?
These.
I've got it. In my office, I'll bring it soon.
Need it now a couple of times.
Yeah, I know. We don't have that many, do we? Okay, guys, let's eat.
Let's go, but
We don't have a big ladle, do we, love?
Big what?
A big ladle. A big spoon to scoop it out.
yeah, we do. Like these. That's good. Oh, that
Guess what? Green's like this.
Oh. Tell me it's
We'll use this as a... I think that's...
Just throw it out, honey. If we're not going to ever use it again, chuck it.
Actually, this is just just
Oh, okay.
Dad, I don't have a thing.
What do you mean?
Then maybe I'm
I'm gonna eat your camera. Show me some knuckles.
I'm full.
Got him.
Okay, who wants pudding? Hot banana bread and hot chocolate. Who would like hot chocolate?
Put your hand up.
Is that for dessert?
Yeah. Would you like some?
What is it?
He told you that I'm full. Try. Now's the time to try. Give it to
You didn't
you.
eat very much, even if you're hungry.
I want to get that one, guys.
You what, Junie?
I want to get empty that one, guys.
Mum, is there ice cream with caramel? There's custard.
You want to have mine?
I don't want banana bread.
You want to have
Why?
mine? Do you want to have mine?
I'm gay. I was joking. You're happy.
Dad, do you want to have mine? Do you?
Happy with me.
Who would like banana bread?
Put your hand up.
Put your hand up in the air.
Shake it like you don't care. Takes it for a little while.
Stretching. Yours, huh?
This is not good for
Yeah, that fools you.
But not for
Dad, look.
one.
Dad, look. Dad.
That feels your fucking
Who would like sticky rice and mango?
Sticky rice.
Can I just try a bit? I don't know if I like it.
Sure.
Is that sticky rice? Maybe
Here,
this one's
Put
good.
your hand up between four.
No.
Nine different.
No, that's the mango.
Huh?
That's the mango.
I just realized this wasn't as popular as I thought it was. Carlo ate it. Julie, no.
I was full.
No.
Jessie, no. Mum, definitely no.
I'm more than enough. Wow, I can't believe I'm the only one who ate it.
So
That's
sad.
sad. That's just depressing.
That is really sad, actually.
What? What? No, I'm just. It's,
Kidding.
oh, for me, it's sad that I even ate it because that's not what I like.
Yeah, we just had as much as we could, okay? Sorry if you...
Sorry if you're offended by that.
No,
got to get on the defensive side, not the offensive side. Then you take a charge, then you get the block, then you get defense into offense, and then you have the goal. Then you get to score 2 points, and then you get the and one. I'm just talking basketball.
I just had one skate before I tried it.
Yeah, you know what? We tried our best.
It tastes like but
You're having some, bro?
what? What are you doing?
It's okay. It's not supposed to.
It's like master chef.
Carlo, would you like some?
No thanks. Only kidding.
JC, would you like some?
No, only kidding. No, thank you.
Only kidding, but no, I'm not.
I don't really want some, thank you. The taste doesn't really appeal to me.
You guys are such Matt Prestons.
Why do you think I watched this show?
To learn more about Maddie.
Excuse me. I'm not impressed, guys.
Hey, come on, what about me? Look at that man.
Look at this one. I tried to cut this.
No, it comes together with the meal.
I've never felt this way about a camera. I love you so much.
I can't believe it. I tell you, I feel like I just don't know
I
anything.
can't say anything else, but
All
I
you
love you.
think
Yeah,
is true.
that's
No,
not the fear. Just that we
Just
tried
eat.
our
Just being
best
the code cookies right now.
I can't wait to eat as much. I'll just have
I don't want to eat.
Sure, no problem. Hey,
Right now in the background you can hear my
here, Carlo. Carlo, try it. If you don't like it,
Dad, look, I'm the only one eating.
JC,
Dad, I'm the only
thank you.
try.
Julie, try it. Just try it.
Mango is beautiful. I love mango.
Yeah, but I didn't like this bread.
I'm sure I do. No, just try.
I'm
I say that much. Is it mango only made for the summer? Where did you get the mango? Sometimes you got the ducklings, you know. Oh. Thanks.
It's nice, man.
Where'd you get the mango from, huh?
From the different delivers. The French are so awesome. The French are really awesome. Hey, friend.
Beg your pardon.
Oh,
This is a total attack on my.
why is this rice so hard?
It's supposed to be.
Sorry, I've never experienced sticky rice. My first time experiencing sticky
Sorry, I'm
rice.
still fighting my water.
Yeah, you can't do that in MasterChef. Oh wait, I'm still playing my water.
Go for it, Julie.
Can I just try it just to make sure? And then I might just fry something under that point.
No, you don't have to. You have to leave the house.
Hey, yeah, literally, don't come back. Just don't.
Honey,
come.
just
Damn it, eat it. Damn it, eat the damn it, damn it.
What?
Whoops. Grab some more of your.
Don't tell me the rice is not good. It is good.
It is.
Dad, is this going on YouTube? Or is that thing going on YouTube?
No,
Oh, good.
probably not.
I'm so damn on YouTube.
Dad loses patience. Don't. Damn it, eat the food!
What do we do with the leftovers?
Just throw them out, right?
I'll have your beef, eat the beef food.
What, Jay? It's going. It's beautiful enough. And even Silas needed lifetime. It was cool. It's very nice.
It's okay. Don't worry, guys.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Find yourselves a new chef on a Sunday.
I was coming.
We already have found our new chef.
You just have to do the next to Sunday. Okay. I need to go.
You know what?
Yeah, we've already thought about it. It's only.
All sorted.
We like to think ahead.
We'd like to think
Wait, is she coming
ahead.
next week?
We'd like to think ahead.
Why are you singing about that? You're tired.
The day after you come back home.
Oh.
Homie leaves.
No.
The day after you come back, homie leaves.
Bye bye. What? No, it's
I'm gonna never do the. She always will find out when it's gone.
Damn it, eat it.
Yeah, I'm her favorite.
Damn it, come back.
I'm your favorite.
You're probably her worst favorite.
Hey.
She learned to. For you
Appreciate.
to grow on her. So
Yes, I tell you, I am. Oh. See, Carlo, this is not good, is it? Hey, have you realised?
Oh, I realised I'm part of it.
But this is the other day, what kind of family we are.
We're no ordinary family.
Oh, original
Our superpowers is
Not ordinary.
down and eat the food and.
Mom never says damn it. It's good.
I can just, that was really funny. I can imagine you going like this to Jesse. Eat the food, Daddy! Shoving it down his throat.
This doesn't like itself when you hold it.
Oh no, he's holding me.
I'm joking, I'm joking.
This is very awkward.
I really like.
What? What?
Why are you so quiet? Thanks for food.
Pleasure, Julie.
This is one of the first times he makes food. It's a special occasion in this house.
Pleasure, Julian.
Thanks, Ed. I was just joking with the whole thing on that camera thing.
Yeah, and don't rewind it to when I was talking.
I want you to eat all of
I've
the
said
banana.
some things that I didn't mean.
Oh, he's zooming in on things.
Julie, unless it's sticking out in the middle of the air.
Jules,
That's not possible.
He was leaning in on your moves.
Okay, guys, I'm going to do it.
But not for those cheese. Just for because I want to lie there like so everybody can see me lie there.
So what?
Mom, you're on YouTube. Did you
I'm on
know?
YouTube.
Yeah.
For what?
You were like in the car reading
No,
a
I
newspaper.
cut that bit out.
No, it's on.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you.
Jules, leave my Mac
You
alone.
didn't get my permission to put me on
Jules.
YouTube.
Mum, you were in the
I'm gonna
background.
sue you too, huh?
Mum, you were in the background. Jules, leave the
It's
Mac.
not worth it, honey.
Hey.
Time and energy spent for no reason.
Dad, I like the banana bread.
Yeah, because I didn't make it.
You should probably zoom on in that, how much onions you put in one bowl.
Did you finish that instead of some spread?
You can't.
Honey, I'm sorry, you can't take people up once they're on minutes on it.
Not much.
It's when Bryn comes. Is this you, Dad? Look,
That's what you want.
Is that? is that, by the way? They're always like
Enjoy, Mum. Enjoy your moment of family fun.
But everyone's just like, who's that sitting in the car?
Oh, now I can go and rest and relax, and you guys can clean up.
Yeah. But doesn't the cooker clean up? I think that's how it works. Joe, seriously, stop. My friend's my student at fun. Brush your shoes. It's not funny. 85 years, wow.
Thanks for your fries.
Get on.
Oh,
Up bar. Just please put them back. Please. On the charger.
Did jag ska få fler kvar för när det är lite grann backcorners
You need to go and what?
back for first take some of the next time and maybe chicken.
Yeah. Apparently you're going to be very busy this week.
Because I'm working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday.
Then I think you also need help on putting it up a bit because everyone made it. But your feet are very nice, and I hope you guys clean it up.
Thank you.
I'm saving it, so I'm putting it in the doggy bag. Doggy bag.
Eat the mango, it's fresh, it's lovely.
Yeah, don't post the mango, it's
Dad,
At least not the mango.
Dad,
Yes.
Dad, do you have more banana bread?
I'll put some in the lunchbox tomorrow.
They're not going to eat this rice, are they, Mum? I may as well throw it away. And now they're going to eat chips.
Now you know how we feel when you eat my food and then you grab the chips.
Fine.
Whoever gets this first gets it. I got it.
Look, I'm not eating chips, hey?
Julie wanted to do this side of some chips first since yesterday.
I'll help you clean up.
No,
And then you can join us if you want.
okay.
Now I can eat
As
chips.
long as I videotape.
You can have some chips.
Carlo, you've got some good videos there to work with. It's work from a hard drive.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to let you guys use the hard drive from now on because otherwise you're going to fill up your Mac so
Yeah.
quickly. Just pull all the stuff in here, Carlo. Put it all in there.
Can I open the garage?
Give me a chip, Julie.
You're insulting your own food. That's.
I'm not, I just like
You're
chips.
disgusting. Now what? You're like a star.
Dad,
Yeah.
Can I open the garage?
No, can you go out the front, Julie? Please, Robin. If you don't mind. Okay, so that's it, Mum. Just chuck this out, yeah?
I put that one in it tonight. There's nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with
When
it.
you come back from church and you're hungry, leave it on the fridge.
amazing carnival of complaining is number 3, that one, and that one.
What is it called? The Amazing
Carnival of complaining.
Carnival of Complaining.
Yeah, and that one.
Okay. Sorry?
he had a magazine. Now, what is this one? Tankers, but you know what? Yeah. In the actual DVD of Right Away at Life Station Kilowatt.
Yeah.
Stay there. Coming right back.
Hi everybody. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen, and today I'm making food for Jessie G, Carlo G, and Julie G. So we're making a Vietnamese soup, which is a duck soup, one of my favorites. So I can't wait for you to try some of this. I'm going to sort of give you an idea of what's involved. So welcome to my kind of messy kitchen at the moment. This is the spring onions and lemons and chilies that have been chopped. This is my special sauce of, oh gosh, you've probably seen the label there. Sweet chili sauce, but with some ginger and some fish sauce. So I've also got a dessert coming, which is going to be a mango and sticky rice. Very, very Thai style, but very nice. And then this is the combination of bean sprouts and some of my favorites here. This is just the little this is the little mint, so that's pretty good. Okay, can you see what I've done with the duck? I've actually ripped off the skin and all the fatty bits. Kids don't like the bones and the fat, so I've taken those off. I know many would kill for that, but that's what I've taken out. There's my duck all sliced up and ready to go, and that's going to be poured into my duck soup. So duck soup is over here. That's the duck soup. That's going to be heated up, and there's my noodles. So that's the start of the whole process, and I'm even making some coffee on the side, so you're welcome to see how I do that as well. This is the duck soup, which I leave there. There's the noodles, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run hot water. So I've got my kettle that's just boiled. I'm going to run hot water through this for about 5 seconds. I'm going to pour it out. I'm then going to take the duck pieces, zap them into the simmering duck soup, and I am going to keep that quite warm and let it simmer. My next step is going to, once I've poured out the water, you know what's really funny about this is that everyone has got a cooking show. The minute you're online, anybody is doing some kind of a meal. So it's kind of a fun thing to be able to take sort of any recipe really and just add your own ingredients to it and turn it into something fun. So my thing here is going to be to then take the mint, the bean sprouts, zap it in together with the onions, the spring onions, the chilies, and of course, look, even my hand movements become very chef-like. I don't know where that comes from because I'm not normally like that, even though I'm Mediterranean. But I tend to sort of be more, but this is the minute I enter into my cooking style, cooking mode, it becomes really quite fun. So we're going to have all the kids running around. I'm going to actually clean up just very quickly before they come up. So when they arrive, it's like, whoa, everything's so cool. This is amazing. So stay with me on this. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be letting you try some of my espresso. Basically, the way I do it is I take what coffee bean blend that I have, and I really like the cappuccino blend. That one is a very good blend. So what I then do is I do what all baristas do, make sure that the coffee is then poured into the holder. There we go. So that goes in there, and a nice handsome helping of coffee powder. As you can see, I go through it quite quickly. I close it very intensely because the minute oxygen gets in there, it oxygenates, it oxidizes, and bam, it is over. Doesn't taste as good. In fact, it becomes really very bitter. One of my little tricks, because I don't have a spatula spoon, is I use one of those little plastic cups and I just compress it down. Why do they compress it down? They compress it down because that means that the water finds a way into all of it, so that the water completely permeates into the coffee. So you want to do that. It's nice and flat. Probably can't see that, but it's really, really nice and flat, the coffee. There you go, very, very flat. What I do is I plug it in there, twist it, coffee machine's on, open it up. Very good thing to do at this stage to make sure that you have poured out all the water. All of the old water is poured out, and that you have got nice, good, clean water that you use to wash it off with. There we go. Nice, clean water to wash it off with. It's very important. Okay, and zap that in, and put in enough water for 2 coffees. In this case, we might have 3, but there we go. Pour that in. There you go. Put that back on. Make sure the area, the nozzle for the milk is nice and clean. That seems to be nice and clean. Close that off, create pressure, switch that on, zap that back into the little milk dispenser area, and you're all ready to go. Zap some milk in, because the milk's going to be very needed. There we go. Zap that in, and you are pretty much ready to go with 2 coffees. So there we go, bam, 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 bam. By the way, I wash everything because soap suds inevitably get in from a machine. So that's there, milk's ready to go. And now what I do with the sugar is I use real brown sugar, real raw brown sugar. I don't use the other stuff, the slightly white, slightly brown. I use the real brown sugar. This is the way to go, because not only does it make it nice and sticky and just very sweet and very nice, or you can use honey, but I think the brown sugar is just really cool. And that we go. That we go there. That we go there. Done. So we got enough sugar in there. I make sure the sugar stays closed because this one moistens up really seriously. And close it off from coals. And there you go. Done. So that's the start of the coffee. And very, very soon now, it's going to get really hot. It's going to start pouring out, and bam, I leave my coffee cup in there. And the thing with these coffee machines is they tend to really sprinkle coffee everywhere, and it becomes quite sticky. So I put one of those around, and that's it. And the coffee will start pouring in just about a second, and before you see it, boom, I tend to sort of lift up the cup so that it doesn't sprinkle sticky coffee all over the place. So there we go, coffee is starting to pour, and that looks absolutely beautiful. It's one of the nicest things that you can actually see. I'll bring the camera over so you can get a good idea of that beautiful coffee doing its trickling in. It's lovely, huh? And you can see the sugar. Sugar is in there. I'll do a little bit of a focus in. There we go. And you get the idea. So I just let that pour, and we'll enjoy in the next couple of minutes.